Hi guys, and you can see right, it's literally 10 o'clock in the night. Me. I literally got 1,353 views. The last time I checked, I was on 105. I'm in the thousands. Oh, I don't know. Not even one. It was in the thousands. I know. 1,305. 1,353, guys. We've been through a lot. And now you can't see. I'm so sorry. But we've been through a lot. It have been since 2023. I'm actually so excited and happy. 1,353 views. I'm about to cry. Guys, I'm going to be celebrating tomorrow on Easter. I'm so happy. I can't believe. I feel like I'm going overnight. Why my popularity? Views, just 0 subs.